Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by confirming Chrome Sync and Google Web and App Activity are enabled. This lets you recover server-side records. Sign into the exact Google account you used. Mismatched accounts show different timelines. Once signed in, close extra Chrome windows and pick the profile you want to inspect so you don't mix data. Now open Chrome, //settings/sync setup or Google My Activity. These are the first places where deleted local history can still exist if sync stored it. Proceed when you see the account data. Next, go through cloud and local artifacts to reconstruct history. In Google My Activity search by date or site, it often preserves entries even after local deletion. On your PC, run ipconfig/displayedins to view DNS cache entries. These show recent domains and times. Then locate Chrome's History SQLite file in the Profile folder and open with a SQLite viewer. It stores URLs and visit timestamps until overwritten. If needed, use a cache viewer to extract cached pages and confirm what was visited. Finally, if cloud and caches don't show the entries, restore from a backup or system restore point to recover the history file. This brings back deleted records by replacing current files. Use file recovery software to scan the profile folder for deleted history or cache files and export recovered SQLite or JSON data. Make sure to re-enable sync afterward to preserve recovered items. If something fails, export what you found and double-check the Google account and sync settings to avoid missing records next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.